SmartBotsLand friends. In this video, I would like to introduce you a super useful Telegram bot. Well, as you can see, I have a VIP group that was very difficult for me to manage. I had to check my payments regularly, I was deleting my expired users, and I had problems before. So subscription bot was made for my problem and people like me. Well, let me show you this bot. When my users register in this bot and they start their bot, they will see these buttons. The first button is subscription plans. My users will see free plan, weekly plan, or monthly plan. The second button is VIP user button, which is the users who are my special customers and I don't want to get membership fee from them. They can write their VIP code here. And I click on it and you can see, please enter the VIP code. And the other users which they don't have this code, they cannot use this service. And the other button is my transactions, and the users can see their payments and all the information about their payments here. And support button. If my user click on support button, they can contact with the admins and ask their questions. As the Telegram bot admin, I have more access to manage my channel, which I will show you with my other account. I start this button with my admin account, and you can see the extra button here, an admin button. I click on it and you can see the first button is extension or upgrade. With this button, I can upgrade my bot, and I click on it and you can see all the plans here. Edit plans. With edit plans, I can change the plans I've set before. And you can see I can change the price and the days of the plans, or I can remove one or more of it. And generate VIP code. I can create VIP code for my special users here. As you can see, how many people do you need a VIP code for? And a membership time, for example, 7. And I confirm the message. And these are the codes. I click on back. With the payment setting button, I can choose or change the payment methods of my users. You can see here currency unit, online payment, and manual payment. And I can change it. For example, I activate online payment and I have to write my merchant ID here. I close it and you can see reports. I can get information about my bot users here, including the number of members and their payments. Through a SmartBotsLand support, I can ask all of my questions. I click on login to admin panel, and this is the URL and username for my bot. So I log into web panel, and you can see this is the web panel, and I can change my buttons and more. And I close the admin panel, and the other one, help, I click on it. And you can see introductions of bots and more. So if you want this bot, you can see the tutorial video about how to create this bot in the caption. And if you have more questions, you can contact us via SmartBotsLand support. Have a good time.